Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am so excited because I will be doing an unboxing of my new inventory shipment from thelashsupply.com. I am now a brand ambassador for The Lash Supply and I've been using their products for the last 2 years. They're super professional and amazing, but we're going to get into all of that in a minute once we crack this box open. So before we jump into the video, make sure that you have hit the subscribe button. I promise you'll love it here, you'll grow here, and I appreciate the support by you just simply subscribing. Like this video, comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you know every time I share new valuable content. So y'all, let's unbox it. All right, y'all. So again, I've been using products from thelashsupply.com for the last 2 years. They have 2 stores here in my city, so I always go into the store to get my products. But this time I did an online order because I am now a brand ambassador for this company, y'all. This is my favorite company ever. And I have a discount code that includes 10% off all orders and free shipping. So why wouldn't I use my own code, right? So I did my first online order and I got tons and tons of lash trays. Now, this is something that I don't want to recommend that you do, and that is go crazy buying your lash trays. I never do that anymore. When I was a beginner lash artist, I felt like I needed every length and every curl just in case, you know, a client came in and wanted that. And y'all, as a result, I have trays of lashes that I probably won't ever use because they weren't the products that I liked. They didn't work how I wanted them to or needed them to or whatever. And also, my clients probably don't want those lengths. So those boxes of lashes are just sitting there. So now what I do when I restock, because I have learned what lengths I need the most of, I make sure that I get multiple boxes of those. For example, very honest and transparently. So most of my clients wear a 14 or a 12 millimeter C curl. And then I have clients who wear 18 and 20 millimeter D curl. So I know that I always need to keep those on hand. Here recently, I've been exploring new lengths and my clients have been liking the new lengths. I've been able to do more with my cat eyes and just my different freestyles and everything, spikes and wispy sets. So I make sure that I also buy a few extra lash trays of different lengths and different curls that I don't normally use. That way I can just, you know, make my sets more versatile and have something for everybody. So I'm gonna show you guys what these lashes look like, how they feel. This is a box that I already had, and then I'll go through the lengths and everything, how and why I ordered them. So I just want to give a quick review on these lashes, y'all. They are amazing. So first things first, I always get the Artist Choice Premium lashes. They do have a different kind of lash that does not come in this box, and they aren't the premium lashes. And I think there's maybe like a $2 difference between these and those lashes, and those are the lashes that I used to use. But once I saw these, once they started making these, y'all, the lashes are softer, the curls hold better in the lashes. For example, the C curl and the D curl, there wasn't much of a curl difference between them, but now it's very distinctive and I love that, and you can see the difference in my sets. Also, the boxes are cute, the lashes are softer, and they come off the strip amazing. Now the other lashes come off the strip really amazing too, but y'all, these just my favorite, okay? So all of these lashes, the boxes look the same because I use the same diameter for all of my volume lashes and classic lashes, but I only use 0.05 diameter for my lashes, and I do that because 0.03 they fan really pretty. However, they just kind of do their own thing sometimes and they lose a little control in my tweezers, and I have not mastered the 0.03s. And also I want my client sets to look still really full, still also dark, and the lighter sets, the lighter weight, the 0.03 are great for mega volume. I don't do a lot of mega volume lashes. Most of my clients wear volume or hybrid, so I do regular volume fans. So the 0.05 is right in the middle of the 0.03 and 0.07, and that's why I choose to use them. I love them. They fan out so great. So this is how the box is. Let me click on the screen to focus it here. This is how the box is. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is a 16 millimeter C curl lash tray. As you can see, the lashes look so amazing, dark and natural. They don't have that fake little shine to them. My ring light is on, so that's why y'all getting any type of reflections that you are. But the lashes are super soft. Like, oh my God. Y'all see it. I know you see it. This focus keeps moving. Look at that. They're super soft. And they're lightweight. My clients love them. I love them. They're the best, okay? So those are the lashes. I just wanted y'all to see how they look. Let me grab a pair of tweezers and I'll show y'all how well they fan out too. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I have one of my favorite tweezers. These are the Rainbow Baby Tweezers from Live Bay Lash Company. So I'm just gonna make a quick fan so that you guys can see how easily these lashes come off the strip and how beautifully and smoothly they fan out. Like, again, I've been using these lashes for the last 2 years. I use adhesive from the Lash Supply. I just have like 3 extra bottles of adhesive, so I didn't get another one on this order, but it's amazing. All right, so this is how it looks on the hand. This is a C curl again. And I'm gonna turn the camera around because it keeps focusing on my face. Okay, y'all. So I'm just doing this to show you how the lashes come off the strip and how they fan. So this is how smooth they come off of the lash strip. I got one little straggly lash, but that's cool. But the lashes come off really seamlessly, really smooth, and really even. So when I go to fan, I'm just gonna pinch and lightly loosen up my tweezer. And y'all, look at that. Look at how easy that fans out. How smoothly it fans out. Yeah, I got some little extra pieces over here. We just gonna move them to the side. But bam, this lash fan is ready to be dipped in adhesive and base fanned out. So it's a 10 for me. All right, so that's that on how the lashes come off the strip and how they fan. Again, y'all, I love them so much. So let's talk about the lengths that I got. So these 2 stacks of lashes right here are all C curl. And I use mostly C curl lashes, so I make sure that I have enough of each tray. So the lengths that I don't mention, I already have them in stock. And I just went in to buy what I needed to re-up on. So I got 2 trays of 11 millimeter C curl, 2 trays of 12 millimeter C, 1 13 millimeter because I have a pretty full box, I think, and an extra box over there in my lash drawer cart thingy. I got 3 boxes of C curl 14 millimeter because, again, that's what I use the most of, and I just can't be caught without those. I got 1 box of 15s. Now, new lengths that I got for my C curl trays are 17 millimeter. I have never had 17 millimeter because I always try to keep things even, like 10, 12, 14, 16, but I'm excited to use some more lengths so that I can create more creative and freestyled sets that aren't just, you know, within the same like range of length. So this is my D-curl stack. I don't use a lot of D-curl lashes, but I'm kind of getting into it, like I said, with more wispy sets and more spikes. So the D-curls that I got are 13 millimeter, 2 boxes of 16 millimeter because I do use mostly 16, 18, and 20 millimeter D-curl lashes. Again, new length that I got was 17 millimeter. I already have 18. I should have bought a box of 19 millimeters. I wasn't supposed to buy 2 boxes of 17 C curl, and that's probably how I got that mixed up, but whatever, we got them and they here now. And then I got 2 boxes of 20 D millimeters. So the best advice that I can give you when you're restocking your lashes, or if you're a beginner lash artist and you don't know how to stock your lashes, start off with mixed trays. Mixed trays give you length ranges from about 8 millimeters to either 15 or 16 millimeters. And from that, you'll be able to learn and see what lengths you're using the most on your clients. And then you'll know, okay, I use mostly 15 millimeter D-curl lashes. That's what I need to buy a full single tray of lashes for. So definitely start with mixed length trays and work your way through those to see what length you need to stock up on the most. That is what I did. You should definitely experiment with different lengths and curls, but don't go overboard on the extra stuff that you don't really know how it's gonna go over well with your clientele. So that is all for this video. I hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them in the comment section. If you want to shop the Lash Supply, use my discount code for 10% off your order and free shipping no matter where you are. The code is TEE10. So that is TEE10. You get 10% off your order and free shipping. Like the video, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and I will see y'all in the next one.